Hello guys, how are we doing? I'm going to be reviewing a stream that I had the other day, so if you find anything insightful, then feel free to like and subscribe, and if you don't, then don't. Anyway, I'm going to get right into it. I'm going to be reviewing any mistakes and good things I did, and this stream was 2.5 hours long, so I'm going to be skimming through it. Right off the bat, I'm marking in the volume imbalances. If you're familiar with what I'm doing, I'm scalping volume imbalances, and I'm marking where they are. Right now, this is a 15-minute time frame that I'm marking them in on. You see those lines? Those are volume imbalances. After I mark these in, I'm going to skip through it a little bit. This is in a 15-minute time frame. Open VI means open volume imbalance. I don't mark in the closed ones. I don't target them. No, I'm looking at the 1 hour. I don't see any on the 1 hour. This is on the daily. There's one on the 1 hour. It's very close to the all-time high. I'm not sure what I'm doing. I'm staring at the 1 hour. I don't remember why I'm going short here. Oh, it's because there's a volume imbalance right here on the 1 minute. That's a volume imbalance, and that's what I'm targeting. So I'm trying to scalp. I don't like this trade. This is a bad trade. This is a bad trade. I don't have multi-time frame. I almost do. The 15 minutes bullish, but it's actually not that bad. I'm gonna skip through it now a little bit because it's taking a while. Yeah, it seems like I was in this trade for a minute. It's faking me out. I went. I sold 2 contracts because this is the 1 minute TTM squeeze. It was giving me sell signals, but now it's losing its bearish momentum, and multi time frame changed. So yeah, I got faked out. Yeah, I got faked out. I went in short again. Still targeting that volume imbalance. I would have going back. I would have waited until price got to this liquidity level, and then I would have shorted it, targeting this volume imbalance right here. Here, I'm gonna pause it. Actually, no, I'll let it go. But I would have waited until price got to right here, and then I would have shorted it to get to this. It worked out. I locked in profit. I'm still trying to go for that. I'm still. Hmm, still going for this volume imbalance over here. And now it's creating another one on the 1 minute chart right here, which is bad because then you got a volume imbalance above and one below, and then you don't know which one it's going to go repair. I do have sell side ATR, which is good. It's approaching this liquidity level, which I said if it got there, then I would sell. Let's see if it. I bet if it gets here, it makes a very fluent move down. Nope, got faked out. See what I was just talking about? This volume imbalance here, the one I was just talking about. I was targeting the one down here, but it created one right here on the way to this one, and then it came back up to repair it, and then it faked me out. It was a bad trade. That's what you gotta be careful for if you're scalping volume imbalances. Hmm. So I think this is when I get annoyed and I start buckling down. I start trading breakouts. It's like I'm not taking a trade unless it gets to a certain liquidity level. So yeah, that's the top. That's the bullish breakout right there at this liquidity level right here. And this is the sell side. This is the sell side breakout, and then this is the target down here. Getting tired of getting faked out. So I'm waiting for it to approach breakouts. Yeah, it just chops. Wow, it's chopping for a while. Did I get in? I did get in. There it goes. So you approach the breakout now, it's making a bigger move. Once it got out of this, I call this 15-minute chop. Here, I'll show you. What happened? Give me 1 second. Why is that? What's going on? It's not snipping it. There it goes. See, I call this. This is a 15-minute time frame. I call this 15-minute chop. Price is consolidating on a 1-minute time frame. Like it's chopping because it's chopping on the 15-minute. See, price is just going sideways right here. Once it breaks out, then it makes a bigger run. Anyway, go back to it. So I'm thinking it wants to go test VWAP. This is the yellow line right here. I'm thinking that's what it wants to go target, so that's why I'm long. That's what my target is. But it's just fighting so hard. Yikes. I got faked out. Bad. It acted like it wanted to break out with this wick. Look at this. This wick, it looked like it wanted to go test VWAP, which is my target, and then it fell all the way back down into the chop. Unlucky. Nature of the game, right? Now I'm back to trading a breakout. Wow, look at that. I want to emphasize this. So remember I said I was targeting VWAP up here, which is this yellow line. Look what it did. It went up here with this wick and faked me out, and came all the way down here. That's why I gotta be strict with your stop losses. If you keep moving them, and I'm very guilty of this all the time, if you keep moving them, this move would have slaughtered you. Remember that volume imbalance that I marked in right here? It finally came to repair that. It went all the way up here towards VWAP and then fell all the way back down to repair that volume imbalance that I marked in earlier. Playing games. So I figured it satisfied itself repairing this volume imbalance, so I figured it wants to go up again. I'm not sure what my target is. Oh, I'm gonna go back a little bit. So when I got bullish ATR, like I just said, it repaired this volume imbalance down here, and then I got bullish ATR, so I thought it wanted to retrace, so I got in long. I don't I don't know if I agree with this trade because look, I got bearish multi time frame, like all the 1 minute, 5 minute, 1 hour, 15 minute are all bearish. I would have waited, but I guess it works out. So right here, I'm waiting to get in right here because down here, this is the 1 minute. These are volume imbalances on the 1 minute. I'm saying if price comes to repair this volume imbalance right here, and we're in a retracement, a bullish retracement, I'm figuring that it can come up here and repair this one. And that will be my order to get out right here. Like I'll get in right here, and then I'll get out right here, repairing this volume imbalance here. That's exactly it's happening. It's finally getting me in right here. There you go, got me in. And my target to get out is on that 1 hour. See, there's a 1 hour volume imbalance right here. It's 1 hour, and a 1 minute volume imbalance right there. So that's pretty strong. Only thing I would have been very hesitant before was this 20-day moving averages right here. Those connect as floors and ceilings. That could have easily held me in and then reversed, but it worked out. Being hypercritical of my trades, but you gotta be because the market's so irrational. So I'm long. This is my price level 3 right here is the next target in the uptrend, and that's this the top of this the 15-minute candles liquidity level. So it got me in, then I buy again because I wanted to go up there. I'm getting buy signals on the squeeze and volatility. The only thing I disagree with this one is I don't have multi time frame, and there's a 1 minute volume bounce down here, but it worked out. What am I going for? Oh, I moved it to VWAP. I don't know about that. That's a little risky. But it worked. So this is a good trade because I put my order now that you can't see it, but there was a 1 minute volume imbalance right here. So now price is going to come back down and repair this 1 minute volume imbalance, and then it's going to get me in and then target VWAP. So yeah, this is a good trade. I'm gonna skip through it until it gets there. Hmm. It didn't do that, but I had the right idea. It didn't decide to go repair this, but that was the right idea. That's the more patient move. I put this at this liquidity level right here. See if it breaks VWAP, if it breaks VWAP, then I imagine it can get to this liquidity level, and then VWAP can act as a floor to hide my stop loss behind. So going back, I would have waited to get into the trade until it broke VWAP. I'm being a little impatient. Now I'm just waiting to see if it breaks ATR and wants to reverse. Remember, it's chopping on a 15-minute time frame. It can easily just fall all the way down again. Gotta be careful. It's chopping. See, I like the squeeze because after a trend, it has to consolidate a little bit and then trend again. And this was the trend. Here, do this again. This was the trend, and then this is the consolidation right here. This is the trend up, and then this is the consolidation and going sideways. Now after consolidation, price either has to go up or down. That's why I pair it with momentum indicators to let me know if it's going to go up and down. But they don't always work, but they do help. But I like the squeeze because when it's losing bullish momentum, that's how I know that it's going to continue consolidating. Or even reverse. I think that's a fake out. Is it? I'm not sure. So I'm shorting. See, it did. Like I just said, after after it consolidating went left, it's going to trend. Now it's going to trend down to repair this volume imbalance right here. You can't really see it, but there's one right there. There's this, see this blue line? There's one right here. It's just hard to see. It's right here. What happened? Did it work? Remember, I'm shorting. I'm short. I'm targeting this volume imbalance right here, which is price level 4. Right here. I'm targeting this. And then it worked. See, that was a pretty decent trade. And see, look at all the volume imbalances it made bullish. Now I go long. Now they got me in. Now I can go long and target these. Let me see. Look over here. Like look here, and try to look here. Try to do that at the same time, because I'm targeting. Remember, these are 1 minute volume imbalances. I got in long right here. Repaired this one, and then I got long, and now my new target is these ones. So yeah, try to look here and here. See how price came in to repair this? Go back a little bit. Remember my entries down here, and this is my entry, my exit. entry, whatever you want to call it, my exit on this volume imbalance. Oh, it's not playing, my bad. See, it got me out when I repaired it. If you were looking down here, it got me out. My order to get out is right here, and then this candle got me out. So I think that's it. Made 1,085. So I guess that's it, guys. If you liked the video, then leave a like and subscribe, and if you didn't, then don't. So have a blessed day, guys. I'm gonna skedaddle. So see ya.